Hello guys, welcome back to Cochin 3Js. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix a broken Rubik's Cube.
Okay, first let's break it. Okay. 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 Now we have broke it. So first step is to sort it out. Okay. First take an edge piece. You will see two colors. Okay. Sort them out. Yes. 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 Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. So you will have edges and corners. Okay, and we have this. If your center piece is also broken, we should simply fix it. Okay, not big deal. Okay, now first let's take white. So first we should take the edges of white. Okay, so let's set white down. Okay, then take any white edge. Okay, white and orange. Okay, let's move the corners. Okay, white and orange. So first we should do like this. It's very simple. First step is very simple. Then set it down. Then white and green. Okay, we have white and green. Okay, oh, the orange went, no problem. Then it's little bit hard, but let's try our best. Okay. Okay. Next, white and blue. Okay, you should always keep the white on the table. Okay, next white and blue. Oh yeah. Okay, that's also fixed. Now white and red, the last white edge. Okay, so now we solved the corner. We fixed the corner, not solved. Next step is equal to put the corners. Okay, now we can take the corners. Take the corners. First take white corners. Okay, now I have white, red and blue. Okay, so it should come white, red and blue here. So yeah, it should come here. Okay, then put it here. Okay, now it's fixed. Next one, white, orange and blue. White, orange and blue. Okay, it should come like this. So okay, let's see. Next, white, red and green. White, red and green. It should come like this. Symbol. Next, last corner, white corner. White, green and orange. Now let's take the edges. Okay, so let's fix this second layer. Okay, so first we take red and green. Okay, we have red and green. So it should come like this. Okay, it should come like this. So we put it from the top. Okay, and this is fixed. Next, blue and orange. Blue and orange should come here. So let's put it there. Simple as that. Okay, next orange and green. Yeah, simple, very simple. Next, blue and red. Okay, now the second layer is complete. Now we have 1 2 3 4 corners and 1 2 3 4 edges. Okay, now we should put one edge. Okay, take one edge, yellow and green, then fix it there. Okay, then take one corner near to the green, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange. Yeah, yellow, green, orange. Okay, put it, yeah, like this, put it there. Next, another edge, yellow, orange, yellow, orange edge. Okay, now we have a 4-piece cube here. Now we should take like this L or J shape. We should fix this J shape. So after the edge we should take corner, yellow, orange and blue, yellow, orange and blue. Okay, just fix it there. Okay, next, yellow and blue edge. Okay, yellow and blue, we should fix it there. So now we have this and one line to complete. Next, one corner. Okay, this corner. In this video we are showing it, so we don't want any glue or something, any gum or glue. Okay, then we fix the corner, then an edge. Okay, then the last corner. Okay, put it here and fixed. Now the cube is fixed. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram. And if you haven't seen our latest videos, check it out, and you can study how to solve a Rubik's Cube in our channel. We will put the link of the video in the description. Okay, bye.